Sorry, go back. All right. Good afternoon. Hi, everyone. My name is Tran. I'm the medical head of BioPharma and Ophthalmology Development at Astellas. Thank you for the organizers for having me share. We're doing something a bit different here, just sharing an update on our pipeline, so not going to share much data. These are my disclaimers. So at Astellas, our ability to innovate is grounded on our ability to scale and integrate. We operate in over 70 countries and with global networks in R&D, manufacturing, and innovation hubs. This includes commercial capabilities for cell and gene therapy production. We have as you can see, our global footprint is heavily based in the United States, Europe, Japan, and China. And we are, sorry, I'm a little bit nervous today. Let me move on and share with you a little bit on our pipeline. So we have vasenicaptide pegol, also known as Eyecelerator, for in countries that are marketed, and it's been approved in U.S., Japan, Australia. For treatment of geographic atrophy. So it's been shown to slow the progression. With that, we are impressed with the impact that it's having on patients, and it gives us lots of motivation to continue with our emerging pipeline with innovative therapies spanning multiple modalities, including pluripotent stem cell, universal cells, gene therapy using AAV, and RNA aptamer technology. We are targeting diseases with high unmet needs, including common conditions such as geographic atrophy and glaucoma, and additionally into rare conditions such as retinitis pigmentosa and inherited retinal diseases. Our most advanced cell therapy program is ASP7317. It's an investigative cell therapy for the treatment of geographic atrophy. It's a human embryonic stem cell-derived RPE treatment where RPE cells are transplanted subretinally into with the idea of replacing dead or damaged cells. It was one of the first cell therapies in ophthalmology to enter the clinic and is currently in phase 1B. We will be sharing updated safety and efficacy data at ARVO on Thursday afternoon. And using that as a foundation, our next generation cell therapy includes ASP2020. This is targeting Stargardt-type macular dystrophies, which are a group of rare genetic disorders and currently lack any approved therapies. We're aiming to restore photoreceptor metabolism and retinal homeostasis to potentially improve the central visual function. And this is agnostic of the underlying genetic mutation. So on the right-hand side, you can see how ASP2020 differentiates from ASP7317 using cells that are edited to become immunocompatible. And this is done with the concept shown below by knocking out HLA-1 and 2 and knocking in HLA-E. This allows for evasion of T cells and natural killer cells to escape allergenic responses. Clinically speaking, this can potentially allow to dose in both eyes, to redose in the same eye, and also minimize the need for immunosuppression. Additionally, we're advancing our AAV gene therapy for neuroprotection in glaucoma. ASP2767 is designed as a dual payload for mature human BDNF and its receptor human TrkB. And this will help with the pathway, the signaling pathway that protects retinal ganglion cells. So in the preclinical non-human primate model, intravitreal administration of ASP2767 has demonstrated dose-related increase in the transgene and dose-related protection of retinal ganglion cells and the ganglion cell layer thickness. We've been able to show tolerability and no notable toxicity. We'll be submitting the IND this year. And just one more thing I forgot to mention, that for ASP2020, we have an ongoing natural history study in Stargardt-type macular dystrophies, and we will also be submitting the IND this year. We really value the partnerships that we've built in this space with many of our ophthalmology colleagues. We partner with patient organizations to ensure that the patient voice and their needs are incorporated into our programs. And we also partner with the scientific community to accelerate technologies. Very open to partnering, and as you're aware, every year for the past decade or so, we've been partnering with different companies and institutions. Our areas of interest include cell and gene therapies, technologies that differentiate our stem cells, and also ways to improve manufacturing, and also with ways to deliver therapeutics. Ultimately, we're united by a sense of urgency, passion, persistence. Our goal is to protect vision for as long as possible and also to free patients from the fear of vision loss. Thank you so much.